What do you think about this record, Laura, I Love You?
I dig it, man.
What does that mean to a square like me?
I enjoy it.
Why do you enjoy it?
I like the beat.
What about the lyric?
Oh, I don't listen to the words.
Why don't you listen to the words?
Well, it's the beat you dance to, not the words.
The British Road Safety Council are very worried about the words.
Are they?
Yeah, do you know why? Because they think it's going to cause bad driving.
Couldn't be much worse than it is now, could it?
I think it's absolutely idiotic. I don't think it would in any way endanger driving. I don't think driving could be any worse than it is at the moment. And I think a record should be for pleasure. I think that a record like this there's just no point in making it.
I think it's very good. I've got the record.
Do you mean to say you enjoy hearing about a man frying in a car?
No, but it's a good record, and I think it'll, get to the top.
Well, I think it's the absolute end. It's the most rubbishy record I've heard for a long time. And there has been some rubbish issued lately. I'm sorry, I don't see what sense of pleasure or enjoyment people can get from listening about a person being killed.
I don't like it very much.
Why not?
Well, I like the music, but I don't like the words to it. I think it's, very morbid.
I think it's pathetic.
Why?
Well, it's just a load of bull, I think.
What do you think about the words of this song?
Well, I like them very much. I think it's true to life, showing what a stupid sport car racing is.
Well, I think it's fair. It's a fair record. Yeah.
Don't you feel depraved and corrupt after listening to it?
No, I don't mind what it's like, If you had a few points, you don't mind what records they play,
You enjoy hearing about a man being burnt to death in a car?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, it's cool.
It's cool.
Yeah.
What do you think about this record, Laura, I Love You?
Well, I like the music, but I don't like the words, because I consider that when you're dancing, you want to dance for pleasure. But if you're going to listen to words like this, it's just not pleasure. You want to enjoy yourself while you're dancing, but I never could. I didn't enjoy myself at all. I felt quite depressed.
Well, it's a very good seller. The lyrics aren't bad, and it's what the teenagers go for.
How can you say the lyrics aren't bad when it's about a man being burned to death in a car?
Well, that's what the teenagers like. Anything sordid, they like it. That's the modern trend.
I like it very much. I think everybody likes it.
You like a record about a man burning to death in a car?
You don't really think we're so stupid to take that seriously. Teenagers of today are too intelligent to take these things seriously, and most of us write better lyrics at school.
Teenagers must be stupid to buy this record. It's in the top 10.
No, we're not stupid. We like to enjoy ourselves. We like the rhythm. The voice is quite good. We enjoy it.
The Road Safety Council thinks this is morbid and corrupt.
Oh dear, I feel sorry for the Road Safety Council. They're very stuffy.